Hey guys, so this is a sneak peek at the upcoming iFlight MegaBee. This is very similar to the original Cinewhoop, the Squirt. Except there's a few minor changes in the frame. I'll talk about those in the formal review, but I just want to show you, some few pictures of the MegaBee. It comes pre-built, which is great. So if you're not into building, and sometimes some of these builds can be kind of complicated with these small parts, it comes pre-built. You can get different receiver versions. And the price is pretty decent for what you get. And I can tell you that I've flown it already with the tune out of the box. Flies really good, and you get really nice, smooth footage. So I'm going to show you some footage here of the, this is the Osmo action camera. I'll probably have a separate review on that one as well down the road. And there's already been a lot of reviews on that camera already, but just want to show you what this footage looks like, what this particular drone is capable of with this kind of an action camera. I think results with the GoPro Hero 7 will probably be pretty similar on this drone as well. So you can just, unfortunately I don't have one of those GoPro Hero 7s, so you can't see any of that footage, but here's footage from the Osmo Action, and I'll have a formal review on this pretty soon, so stay tuned.